Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video we can see the topic about insertion. In the insertion we see there are two types in insertion. First one is a partial insertion and another one is a wildcard insertion. In partial insertion we can insert specific column data, and in wildcard insertion we can insert whole data at same time. So let's all see this thing, yes, in previous video. So we can start a new topic or we can see the new statement in a DML, that is update or delete. So here we can see the new statement in DML. First of all, use our MySQL database. In MySQL we can create a add one database, that name is company, use company 1. In this database we can create tables, show tables. There is one table in this database, and we see the data in this table. Employee, here we can insert this data in this table, and today we see how to update data or how to delete data in the table. So first of all, we can see the update query in this video. So we can update the first data. So here we can update first data, update set emp mail equal to abc@mail.com. So here we use where clause to pick up the specific ID or more update the specific data by using ID. So here we can use where clause for giving the condition, means give the condition like their ID is 1, emp ID equal to 1. So here we can get error. Here we can put update table, update employee, table name. So here we can see data is updated successfully. So we updated one more data. So here we update emp contact, update set emp contact equal to 9845, typing anonymous number. So here we take condition where emp id equal to 1 of, here we can put table name employee. So we can see the data is updated successfully. After we can see that how to delete a specific data in this table by using where clause. So here one more command is delete. So delete from table from employee table where ump id. We can give the specific condition to delete that data. So we can, so here we put id is 1. So here delete the first id, that is their name, salary, mail, all things are deleted. Here we can see the database. Here first data get deleted, all their details are deleted. And if we delete all data in one time in table, we can write delete from employee. So this by using this command, all data deleted at one time. So here we can see the empty set, means no data present in this table. So thank you for this, and that's all about today. So next topic, see in next video. Thank you.